So let's compare Manus AI with Genspark AI. So Manus AI is currently in closed beta phase, meaning you need a invitation for access. But it has a lot of key features that you should keep your eyes on. So it's developed by a Chinese startup, Monica, and is designed as a fully autonomous AI agent capable of executing complex tasks with minimal human intervention. So it can handle tasks such as report writing, data analysis, content generation without continuous user input. Now, this is a huge step in the AI autonomous agent space because ChatGPT cannot do that. So that's why this is in closed beta. It's still in testing, but a lot of people are trying to get the invitation for this, and you just have to click try and enter your email, and you might get in. Now, the pricing structure is going to be a lot more expensive than Genspark AI. As we can see, it's pretty much double for the starter plan, which of course is in beta phase. And then the pro plan is going to be $200 per month. So you're getting a lot with these packages, but it's going to cost you a lot because you only get 3,900 credits per month versus Genspark AI, you're getting 10,000 credits. But it does have advanced tool integration and multimodal capabilities. Genspark AI, you're going to have dynamic content generation, creates unique Spark pages tailored to each query, and you're going to have a clean, user-friendly interface, and it's best for image generation and video generation and things like that.